Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have an important piece that will help get your shift points dialed in. These are the Raptor Performance shift lights. With this single mode shift light, you will not need to worry about missing a shift. The bright LED display is triggered by the factory tach signal and can be dialed into a specific RPM down to the hundredths. Available in 4 colors, red, yellow, green, and blue, you have the choice to match some of your other interior lighting or accessories. Each light will come with these convenient vinyl covers, one to match the LED light that will reduce the emitted light intensity for those that are night racing, and the other to black it out when not in use. Moving over to the installation, we are going to mount the provided bracket to the upper portion of our steering column so we can have a clear view of the shift light. If you mount the shift light here, ensure that you have room to turn the steering wheel from side to side and that it does not hit the light. Once mounted, we can run the wire through the dash and then feed it through the hole in the firewall. Once we feed some wiring through, we can follow the factory harness to the first ignition coil to get the signal needed to illuminate the shift light. For the installation on our 2010 LS3, we are going to wire the Raptor harness to the factory ignition coil. With the engine cover removed, we can access the factory connector. I'm going to be using quick tap connectors to make the connection points. Using these taps, we will not have to cut and splice into factory wiring. The black wire will have to be connected to pin A of the ignition coil. The green wire will have to be connected to pin C of the ignition coil. Finally, the red wire will have to be connected to pin D of the ignition coil. With all the connections made, we can reinstall the engine cover back in the factory location. Now with all the connections made, we can dial in the shift light to the specific points we want and make sure the light is working properly. There you have it, guys. Something as simple as a shift light can cut down our ETs at the track. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.